Kubor baman kesni, awan lam shipi da unang yalam news.
Kumbandu Prangot ki police officer na kijala na Ponot is kapakantop ya South Arngot ki deputy superintendent of police iwe I cadet inspector Arfsan ki cadet sub inspector assistant sub inspector ki belawan shimenta haka 55 batch of basic course training ki belalong menta kasni pu artrek December arja Arfsan hapo jung kanot Eastern Police Academy NEPA Umsau. Kani ke training kelalong ke bajab napdeng ki officer ki bela pendap ikni ke training kilong khatsan ngot na Meghalaya san ngot na Manipur Absau ngot na Nagaland Shipeu na Tripura khatsau ngot na Sikkim napdeng kini kindru phu prangot arphui ngot ki de ki police officer kan thei hakani ke training la don lang IGP ka Meghalaya ikong Aida Shisha Nongrang kum ikong san hakani ke program haringkat ki jing don lang Isan Bolshulai Minister of Art and Culture Smith Bita Jalan Directors NEPA ki senior police na ki jela ki bapher ki balawan lang lembat ki bahinga semjong ki baladon rengkat haduk banda pendap yakni ke training.
Ready? Up!
Banyo iki kubor baman kesni, subhawan subscribe ya ka channel unang yalam news. Kublai shibu.